Good afternoon, everybody. Surly Mechanic here, and we are on the Harbor Freight website looking at the Master Technician's tool set. 428 pieces for $429. That's about $1 per tool. I mean, imagine going to buy that screwdriver separately for $1. Not gonna happen. Let's see if we can. There we go. Look at all that. 428 pieces. Let's see, we got ratchets, breaker bars, 1/4-inch sockets, 3/8 sockets, 1/2-inch sockets, shallow sockets, deep sockets, combination wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, screwdrivers. You got extensions. I mean, you got, look at this, reducers. That's my favorite stuff right there. You got 4 spark plug sockets. 13/16, 5/8, 72 tooth, 1/2-inch, 3/8, and 1/4-inch drive ratchets. Breaker bars, which I haven't tested those yet. Extensions, which I'll probably lose half of. Hex keys, which will probably never go back in their little holders. Yeah, those will end up on the floor somewhere, kicked up under a toolbox. You got pry bars, screwdrivers. I'm really impressed with these so far. The 8, the 10, the 12, the 13, 14, and 17 are the only ones I've used so far, but I like them. Combo wrenches. And your adjustable wrench or croissant wrench. So far I haven't been let down by this kit. Now, I did buy this as a supplement to what I have in my Mac box already. And you can go to Harbor Freight, buy this, and have this paid off. Even if this is what you start with, do something. You can have it for your home kit so you're not dragging tools home from the shop. You can have it as your starter kit if you're a technician, mechanic, starting out. This is, your first mechanic job and you're not looking to spend $2 grand on the tool truck just yet. Buy these. If you lose it, they're $1 a piece. That's what it equates to, is $1 per tool. If you lose that screwdriver, not really a big loss. So y'all keep that in mind. So far, I have not had any issues with this Quinn tool set, and I'm extremely pleased with it. So y'all make sure y'all go check these out. Even if you're just looking at it. I mean, it's like a 60 or 80 pound box of tools for $1 per piece. So y'all just keep that in mind. But go check them out. Harbor Freight Quinn Master Technician's tool set. I am the Surly Mechanic. Make sure you like, subscribe, question, comment, concern, criticize, jazzercise, crying eyes, legal eyes, whatever you want to do. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys later.